Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry Used Cars, and I've got a really awesome pickup truck to show you today. It's a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. It is a one-ton, which is the 3500 series. It's the HD, it is four-wheel drive, and it is the high country trim level, which is the top of the top trim level. So this is gonna have a lot of features and options on it. That's what most of this video is gonna be about. It's pretty much a brand new truck with just under 35,000 miles. Really not much negative to review on it. So it's gonna be a lot about the particulars on it. So let's jump in and take a look. This does have the Duramax, a 6.6 liter Duramax with a 10-speed Allison transmission hooked to it. The front window, I always like to check for cracks and stuff. It looks good. It also has a little bit of tint to it, which really looks good against this black here, and also just kind of, you know, keep the sun out of your eyes so bad. All the front end looks good here. It has aggressive tow hooks down low here. Front parking sensors. Looks to be even a front camera. We'll check that out when we get inside. LED headlights. Goodyear tires, 20-inch Chevrolet wheels. Well, that looks good. Decent amount of tread left on the tires. I got it running right now too. It's a quiet diesel. There's your high country badging. Your 3500 HD badging. Back up a little bit. It's got a little bit of tint to the windows, as you can see here. It does have power running boards. I'm going to open up this door, watch that power running board come out. It's a nice wide power running board, so it's easy to get your foot on, help you get in and out of the truck. All leather seats, of course, here. Now this seat and the other perimeter seat is heated. It's got heated seats in the perimeter, just not the center here. And then it's got kind of armrest beverage holder there. Here's your heated seat buttons. It's got some USB plugs and a 12-volt power outlet. It's got rubber matting down here and then Berber floor mats there. It says it's 8-foot bed. So if you are towing gooseneck, fifth wheel, you don't need a fifth wheel slider when you got the 8-foot bed. I like how they got this little foot here. That's a place to step so you can reach in the bed, get some stuff out of it. Another one back here in the corners. Big old exhaust on this diesel. Got parking sensors in the rear. Of course, you have backup camera. Also, it has your 2.5-inch receiver here, and that's got your 7-pin wiring as well. And then you got your trailer camera wiring if you want to add that to your trailer. Backup camera. Let's see here. Yeah, so on the keyless entry, I wasn't sure if it'd work when it's running, but it's got the dampening tailgate, or the tailgate release on the keyless entry, as well as remote start, panic, lock, unlock. So in the bed of the truck, it's going to be a spray-in bed liner at Pierce Factory. It's got some lights here. Got your power for your gooseneck or fifth wheel, 4 and 7. Got 120-volt, 400-watt outlet back here. Your gooseneck, it's already got it in there, and your spot for your chains. That tailgate, it's nice and light, so it's it helps you closing it, and it releases itself real light. So that's a nice feature. Sorry for any wind noise. A little breezy today. It's a nice day. Now, financing is available on this pickup truck, so if you're interested in that, I know a lot of our customers who watch these videos are. Just click on the link that I'll place below in the description. All right, let's jump into it and check her out. I like that. I don't know if that's anodized aluminum or chrome, but it looks good against that black. Got full power seat here. This seat, of course, is leather. It's going to have the perforated insert there. That's for to keep you cooler on that hot day. Breathe a little easier. And then this one's got actually cooled seats, so that'll help too. All right, got it running. It's got 34,085 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash. This is still going to be under some factory warranty. I'd say almost all of it. We have four-wheel drive control here, headlight control here. It's automatic headlights. The mirrors, check this out. You see that mirror going out? So it's power out and power in. So if you are towing a big trailer, you just hit this button right here and that'll bring them out or in, so you can see around it. And of course the rest of the mirror is all power. Check this out, power folding in too. Now in that mirror, There is blind spot as well, so it's going to let you know when someone's in your blind spot. Has programmed seats here for up to 2 drivers, looks like. Automatic front windows, power rear windows, kind of catch all on the door there. A steering wheel is heated and leather wrapped. It's got cruise control on the steering wheel. It's got front collision warning as well. There's your heated steering wheel button. It's got voice command, so you can talk on your phone hands-free. And then this will control the center digital cluster there, which will show your mile per gallon. Let's see here. All kind of stuff. Music, navigation, phone call stuff. There's a lot of different options you can get into there. Brake pad life, I've never seen that. All right, this truck's got a lot of stuff. All right, here's touchscreen radio. It does have Sirius XM as well as AM and FM. Let me get to the home screen here. It's got factory navigation. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So really everything you could possibly have in a radio. I'm going to go ahead and put it in reverse, see if we can get some cameras to pop up here. Yep. So we've got our backup camera here. And then look here, we've kind of got a hitch down camera. So if you're pulling up to a, in the rear and the front. So that's good for parking. And if you're pulling up to a trailer, it's going to help you hook into the ball. Kind of a front view, kind of a side view, kind of a bird's eye view. And then this last one over here where my finger's at, that's if you want to hook in those other cameras that are, man, this thing's got cameras everywhere, that would go. Oh, there's your hitch view too, so that's cool. Your other cameras that would go on your travel trailer, sorry. Here we got just buttons for the radio, get you back to the home screen. Let me put it in park here, get out of this backup camera, there we go. This bit gets you back to the home screen so you can start on your music and all that. Heat and air conditioning controls right here. Does have heated seats and air conditioned seats up front here. We saw the heated seats in the back. It's got exhaust brakes, got lane assist, it's got parking sensors. You can release that tailgate from inside. That's the power port. That'll turn down that power outlet. And then you can turn off those power running boards if you want to. Maybe you're in the garage and it's tight and you don't want them to go out. Here is your factory brake controller for your trailer, fifth wheel, gooseneck. This is a spot for your phone, but it also charges your phone. Beverage holders, 2 of them. Another spot for your phone. Nice deep compartment here. It's got USBs and aux ports. So it's got power sliding window. Let me show you that. I think I caught that, yep. Programs up here for your garage door remotes. All around, it's all there. So pulled up the history report. It's only one owner. This is actually a local trade. The customer bought a Rocky Ridge pickup truck off us, brand new one. Just didn't need a 3500 anymore. So if you have any questions, never been in an accident, scores really good. This is a nice clean truck, and I know these are hard to find right now, brand new, used, whatever. So it's just hard to find big trucks right now. So give us a call. Make sure it's still here before you come in, and we'll be happy to show it to you. So thanks for watching, hanging with me for 8 minutes. Take care. Bye-bye.